Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and turbo V8 engine. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads